Joomla 4 is an open-source content management system that allows users to create and manage digital content. To create an article on this platform, follow these simple steps. First, log in to your Joomla account and navigate to the control panel. From there, select Article Manager. Once you are in the Article Manager, click on the New button to create a new article. You will then be directed to a new page where you can start writing your article. When creating your article, it's important to choose an accurate and descriptive title that clearly conveys the content of your article. This will help ensure that readers can easily find and understand the information you are sharing. Before you begin writing an article, it is essential to come up with a catchy title that will grab the reader's attention. Once you have a title, you can start crafting the article content in the editor. To make your article more engaging, you can incorporate multimedia elements such as images and links. By navigating to the Images and Links tab, you can select Intro Article and Full Article Image to add images to your article. You can also customize the images by adding descriptions, customizations, and captions. Once you are done writing the content, you need to change the status of the article to Published and select the relevant category. In case your article is a featured one, just enable the Featured option. Finally, save the article. To check the current status of your article, go to the Blog menu on the website. Here, you will be able to see if your article has been published or is still in the draft stage. Our next task is to add a Read More button to the article. To do this, open the editor and select Read More from the CMS Content drop-down menu located in the Content tab. Once we have written and saved the article, it's important to ensure that the website is displaying the Read More button below it. This button is a crucial element that allows readers to access the full article with a single click. We can ensure that our article stands out and reaches the right audience.